The New York Stock Exchange still has a physical presence. They're specialists on the floor, even though most of the trading is electronic, as I understand. Is this a physical exchange? Is there a place, or is it an electronic exchange? And you need to get people to list, but you would also need market makers. Walk me through how the Texas Stock Exchange will work in that fashion.
Well, and just I think to clarify, not to burst your bubble, but all trading occurs in data centers in New Jersey. So even the New York Stock Exchange.
At the TechSCAP conference.
Yes, I'm so sorry.
I forgot the woman's name.
Rachel.
She said it about 17 times.
Yes.
To really iterate the point.
As full stop, I think, kept
full stop multiple times.
Yes.
Just destroyed my history and
so
vision
sorry.
of the exchange.
The DMM, I think that was really taken away during COVID when everything had to be removed from the floor, and it showed that everything was electronic. The New York Stock Exchange has moved their Chicago medallion to Texas, and they've said that's a completely electronic exchange. So I think we just go back to that things have changed. But yes, so from a market perspective, a couple of things. We are building our trading engine and matching engine from scratch. We decided that if we are truly going to be a disruptor, we need to really disrupt the technology that's already out there and available today from a trading perspective. I have a company that has 800 years of exchange experience with less than 100 people. So we have hired the most tremendous individuals, and on the tech side, they are veterans of the industry. I think of the stat we use, there's 8 coders in the world that can code an exchange, and we have almost half of them working for us. So we are not doing anything that's not amazing, and leveraging tremendous hardware. So we plan to be as competitive as the fastest market, which is NASDAQ, if not more competitive. Which of course is what trading is all about, who can be the fastest and cheapest. We will have a market maker model. Absolutely, that will be how we focus on making sure that liquidity is there, and that we have companies that have the confidence that they are going to get traded in a quick and easy way on the Texas Stock Exchange.
So building something like this obviously is a very capex heavy endeavor. Like, is it like whoever's again, I'm completely ignorant on, like Lane said, the mechanics of it, but is it one of those things where everybody that's investing in it, they just know it's going to be 10, 20 years before they make $1? Or is it like, hey, once we turn the lights on, we're off to the races? Like, how does that, and then also, like, how much money does it take to actually get something like this off the ground?
Yes, I mean, I will say part of a reason I could leave NASDAQ and feel confident in coming over to the Texas Stock Exchange was the investors. So if you think about who's invested in us, we have the largest active, the largest passive, and the largest retail brokers in the world. So Citadel, BlackRock, and Charles Schwab. Ultimately, they know the market, and they know that if they're going to put money to work, it's because they need it to change for the better. We have a tremendous amount of the liquidity in the market today invested in us, but to be honest, most of our money comes from private wealth. And that gives us a long runway. We have the chance to do this right. We have patient capital behind us, and we have investors that represent business leaders and public companies. So they are directly responsible for making decisions of companies that list on New York or NASDAQ today, and they have said, we need to get this right, we need to make a change. So we have a long, decades-long runway, because to make change is really not overnight. Yes, it is CapEx heavy. We certainly appreciate the investment dollars we've had. I will say we're incredibly proud to have filed our Form 1 as the most well-capitalized exchange in history. So we are certainly coming to the table with some tremendous capital that is willing to take that risk. And to be honest, I don't think it's going to take us 10 years to make a profit. For us, we have some really big ambitions, and we have an opportunity to make some money much sooner than that. So we're really excited with the technology coming online in Q1 of 2026 to start showcasing what we've built. And then from there, we will start listings of ETP, so exchange traded products, and then corporate listings beyond that.